Okay everyone, so in this video I'll be showing how to replace the headlight in Bullet 500. So for replacing the lights in Bullet headlight, you would require one Phillips screwdriver, one H15 bulb like this, and one BA9 bulb like this. You have the screw here. Turn this anti-clockwise. Remember to keep hand on this headlight, otherwise it can fall down. Do not open the screw all the way, just make it loose and it will come out like this. So now you can see here there are three wires: blue, black and green. Blue, black, you can either take a picture so that you remember which wire goes where, and now you can take these, pull these out. One, there is another bulb here. You can pull it out like this and your headlight is free. Now remove this rubber and you will have this U-shaped clip holding the bulb. So what you have to do is press it like this, press it like this, and this clip will come out, and you can take the bulb out like this, or take the replacement bulb and once you have put in the replacement bulb, put the wire in like this, pull it up, and then push them in one by one like this and like this. In case you need to replace this bulb, auxiliary bulb here, just push it in, rotate it like this and it will come out. Then bring in the replacement bulb, push it in here like this and turn so it goes inside and fixes. Many people have asked me in the past how to remove the headlight from this cover. The reason could be maybe they want to fix a visor or headlight shade to the headlight, or even they have got a headlight kit like this which they want to replace with the stock headlight kit like this. So I have actually tried to cover it in this tutorial itself. Do note that it is an extremely dangerous process, because for to do it you will need to remove these W clips that are there. So these clips do not come out easily and do not go in easily as well. and the problem with these clips is sometimes they tend to jump while you are removing them. So if they jump in the wrong direction and hit your eye or hit any part of your body, they can cause you harm. So be very careful when doing it. Try and wear an eye glass or something for protection. And to do it, you will need a nose plier like this. So the first thing that you need to do is catch hold of a W clip like this with nose plier and push it down. As you push it down, this thing will come out. Catch hold of this, push it down. Catch hold of this. Push it down. You can see how that W clip just flew away and your headlight comes out. Now if you are replacing an LED kit like this with the headlight, you just follow the same procedure. Put this one in, like this, and then replace all the clips on the sides. However, I just removed it so that I could fix the visor on top. Always note that this part is going to be the bottom part of your headlight. So when you are aligning your headlight, align the Minda written here with the bottom part. So after you fix it, everything is in the right direction. So once you do this, then comes the hard part. Just push one inside here, and then using your pliers, catch hold of the top and push it in like this. Then you fix your visor here. I cannot emphasize enough how dangerous this process is. I had to take a break in the middle because while I was fixing the clips into the headlight, one of the clips just jumped up and hit me directly in the eye. So be very careful. I'm saying again that be very careful during this process and take all precautions that you can. So I have fixed 2 clips now. Once you have fixed 2 clips, the process is fairly easy. Actually, what you can do is first put in one side of the clip into the wedge like this. Once one side is fixed into this wedge, it becomes automatically easy to just catch hold of the other side and put it in. So same thing to be done here. Put one side of the clip in the wedge and then catch hold of the end like this and put it in. So now you see I have fixed all the clips in and it is fixed in the right direction. You will note that any even aftermarket LED kits will have the same H15 3-pin configuration. So the LED kit will go in as a stock headlight only. There is no change in that direction. There is no change there. Now all you need to do is fix this thing back into your motorcycle, which I'll be showing in the next part. While placing this rubber cap onto your headlight, always remember that these 2 points should be pointing downwards. This is for draining water. So any water that comes in through the front, if it is coming here, it slides onto the bottom and it falls down. It drains out from these 2 holes. If you place them on the top side, what will happen is that water will collect in this and it can get inside the headlight. So always place these rubber drains in the bottom side. Okay, so time to put headlight back on. Place this green wire on the right, black wire on the left and blue on top. Take a picture before removing the wires and then place the wire exactly according to the picture. Then take this light bulb and push it in. Now what you have to ensure here is that this wedge has to go in this hole. So bring it in like this. After that you fix the headlight on the bullet. Now push on the headlight and then screw it up tight. So that your headlight is fixed properly. Then switch on and check whether everything is working fine. Yeah, seems fine. Everything is fine and you have finished installing bulb or headlight on your bullet.